Hello and welcome. Power up. 30 epic challenges ahead. Not subscribed yet? Join our community today to access new quizzes every week, engaging educational content, and a fun learning experience. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. What is used to complete an electrical circuit? Switch. Battery. Both. The correct answer is both. Here's an interesting fact: a complete circuit needs a battery for power and a switch to control it. What do we call materials that allow electricity to pass through? Insulators. Conductors. Resistors. The correct answer is conductors. Here's an interesting fact: conductors, like metals, allow electricity to flow through them. What is the function of a switch in an electrical circuit? To break or complete the circuit. To store energy. To produce light. The correct answer is to break or complete the circuit. Here's an interesting fact: a switch controls the flow of electricity in a circuit. What happens when a circuit is open? Electricity flows. The circuit is broken. The light turns on. The correct answer is the circuit is broken. Here's an interesting fact: an open circuit stops electricity from flowing, turning devices off. What is an example of a conductor? Rubber. Wood. Copper. The correct answer is copper. Here's an interesting fact: copper is a good conductor and is commonly used in electrical wiring. What is an example of an insulator? Metal. Plastic. Silver. The correct answer is plastic. Here's an interesting fact: insulators like plastic prevent electricity from passing through. What does a battery provide in an electrical circuit? Sound. Light. Energy. The correct answer is energy. Here's an interesting fact: batteries store and provide energy to power electrical devices. What is a short circuit? A safe way to connect wires. An accidental connection that causes a malfunction. A type of battery. The correct answer is an accidental connection that causes a malfunction. Here's an interesting fact: a short circuit can be dangerous as it causes excessive current flow. What happens if too many appliances are plugged into one socket? It works faster. It saves energy. It may cause overheating in fire. The correct answer is, it may cause overheating in fire. Here's an interesting fact: overloading an outlet can cause overheating, leading to electrical fires. What does an electrical fuse do? Increases power. Breaks the circuit if too much current flows. Stores electricity. The correct answer is, breaks the circuit if too much current flows. Here's an interesting fact: a fuse protects against excessive current by breaking the circuit. Which of the following is not a renewable energy source? Solar, coal, wind. The correct answer is coal. Here's an interesting fact: coal is a non-renewable resource as it takes millions of years to form. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? Oil, gasoline, hydropower. The correct answer is hydropower. Here's an interesting fact: hydropower uses water to generate electricity and is a renewable energy source. What kind of energy does the sun provide? Solar energy, wind energy, thermal energy. The correct answer is solar energy. Here's an interesting fact: solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. What is the main disadvantage of non-renewable energy sources? They are unlimited. They can run out and pollute the environment. They are free. The correct answer is, they can run out and pollute the environment. Here's an interesting fact: fossil fuels are limited and release pollution when burned. What happens when you connect the positive and negative ends of a battery with a wire directly? Creates an open circuit. Causes a short circuit. Makes a light turn on. The correct answer is, causes a short circuit. Here's an interesting fact: connecting battery terminals directly causes a short circuit and can damage the battery. Which material is commonly used in electrical wires? Plastic, wood, copper. The correct answer is copper. Here's an interesting fact: copper is a good conductor of electricity and is used in wiring. What should you do if you see a broken electrical wire? Touch it to check. Tell an adult or an electrician. Pour water on it. The correct answer is, tell an adult or an electrician. Here's an interesting fact: broken wires can be dangerous, so report them to an adult or expert. Why should we avoid using wet hands while touching electrical appliances? It makes electricity work faster. Water conducts electricity and can cause shocks. It cleans the appliance. The correct answer is, water conducts electricity and can cause shocks. Here's an interesting fact: water is a conductor. increasing the risk of electric shock. What does a resistor do in a circuit? Stops electricity. Slows down the flow of electricity. Increases power. The correct answer is, slows down the flow of electricity. Here's an interesting fact. Resistors reduce the current in a circuit to protect components. Which of the following is a good insulator? Aluminum, glass, copper. The correct answer is glass. Here's an interesting fact. Glass does not conduct electricity, making it a good insulator. What type of energy is stored in a battery? Light energy, chemical energy, sound energy. The correct answer is chemical energy. Here's an interesting fact. Batteries store chemical energy and convert it into electrical energy. What happens when a bulb in a series circuit breaks? Other bulbs stay on. All bulbs turn off. The circuit speeds up. The correct answer is, all bulbs turn off. Here's an interesting fact. In a series circuit, a broken bulb stops the entire current flow. Why do we use circuit breakers in homes? To add more power. To protect against electrical overloads. To save money. The correct answer is, to protect against electrical overloads. Here's an interesting fact. Circuit breakers shut off power if too much current flows, preventing damage. What is the main advantage of using LED bulbs over traditional bulbs? They are cheaper. They use less energy and last longer. They produce more heat. The correct answer is, they use less energy and last longer. Here's an interesting fact. LED bulbs are energy efficient and have a longer lifespan. What is the main source of electricity in most homes? Water. Power plants. Sun. The correct answer is power plants. Here's an interesting fact. Power plants generate and supply electricity to homes. What is one disadvantage of wind energy? It pollutes the air. It is expensive. It depends on the wind. The correct answer is, it depends on the wind. Here's an interesting fact. Wind turbines need strong, consistent winds to generate electricity. What type of electricity is stored in clouds during a thunderstorm? Kinetic energy. Static electricity. Solar energy. The correct answer is static electricity. Here's an interesting fact. Lightning is caused by static electricity buildup in clouds. What happens when you use a higher voltage than required for a device? It works better. It can damage the device. It saves energy. The correct answer is, it can damage the device. Here's an interesting fact: using too high a voltage can overheat or destroy electronic components. Which of these household appliances uses the most electricity? TV, refrigerator, light bulb. The correct answer is refrigerator. Here's an interesting fact: refrigerators run continuously, consuming more electricity than most household items. Why do power lines have thick wires? To save money. To reduce resistance and carry more current. To make them look strong. The correct answer is, to reduce resistance and carry more current. Here's an interesting fact: thicker wires reduce resistance and allow more electricity to flow efficiently. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.